The great goddess of the river, we are here again with this sacrifice that you may grant our desire.
You mortals, you have come again with your disturbances. What do you seek this time? Why are you disturbing the goddess of the river?
We are here with this sacrifice to seek
for the fruit of the womb.
For the fruit of the womb.
Fruits of the womb you seek. Woman, your husband here is the cause of your problems. All problems are not as a result of spiritual manipulations. Some problems are man-made. Young man, the infection you contacted many years ago is the cause of your problem. It has been giving you sleepless nights and causing you quick ejaculation and low libido. But do not be afraid, for the solution you seek is here with me.
Odogwu Bitters na charge okue. Ona chakwo, ayata say mo gana na joku. Inebeta.
Odogwu Bitters is the solution you seek. Now take it.
Odogwu abiago.
Go and come back to the guardians of the river with your testimony of triplets and twins. Go and come back to the goddess of the river with your sacrifices.
Thank you, the goddess.
Odogwu wekwana vampako makana bemebebe mari Odogwu mawuru nene. Odogwu Bitters mokri bodumodu mmanya na-enye ụmụ okorobịa anyị ogologo ndụ na-arụ isi ike ọkwa dịka m na-ekwu eyi. Mmanya na-eweta obi aṅụrị ime ụlọ ma wuru eziokwu. Ị nwere ọrịa bụ ọgbarakara Odogwu Bitters ṅụọ n'ọya dịrị gị mma. Odogwu Bitters Odogwu Bitters mmanya ka mmanya n'ezie n'ibu Odogwu.
Na charge okue. Ona chakwo, ayata say mo gana na joku. Inebeta kabeta linu. Odogwu Bitters yo, Odogwu abiago.